Assalamu alaikum friend. Today we are going to discuss about the classes of pronoun. There are the three classes of pronoun. Number is verb to be, verb to have, verb to action. Verb to be past. Today we will discuss about the verb to be past. Definition: it shows the status and place of a person or anything. When we talk about the affirmative sentence, it means positive sentence. There is no question, there is no negation. It is called affirmative. Subject plus helping verb plus object. This is called the syntax. I was in Lahore. It means I am showing here from the Lahore place. I is a subject, was is a helping verb according to the subject, in is a preposition, and Lahore is a object, and I am showing here the place. When we talk about the negative sentence, subject plus helping verb plus not plus object. I was not in Lahore. Here is an increment of not because we are talking about the negative sentences. Interrogative, it means we ask the question to someone else. Helping verb plus subject plus object. You are confusing here why I put here first helping verb. When we ask to someone, we have to put the subject on the place of helping verb. We have to replace this thing. So first I replace the subject on the place of helping verb. So first helping verb will come, then subject, then object. Was is a helping verb, I is a subject, in is a preposition, Lahore is a object. I in Lahore, and here is increment of question mark because I am asking the question. I am doing the interrogative. Interrogative plus negative, helping verb plus subject plus not. No, here is a addition of not plus object. Was I not in Lahore? Was is a helping verb, I is a subject, not is a negation, in is a preposition, and Lahore is a object. And we are showing here according to the definition place of I. In the interrogative and interrogative plus negative, we must have to include the question mark. If you people will not include the in writing question mark, it means you are not following the rules of writing pattern. Let me discuss about what is the helping verb and how many the helping verb in this. There are the two helping verb. Number one is was and number second is were. Was will use with these subject I, he, she, it, any singular name. It means only one name. Singular means only a one name. It can be a living thing and non-living thing. Were will use the plural subjects. We is a plural, they, you, and any plural name. It means more than one is called plural name. It can be living thing and non-living thing. Here are the example by which we can understand the definition that it shows the status and place of a person or anything. She was a hungry girl. She is a subject, was is a helping verb, we are representing one girl. Hungry girl, we are showing here the status means this is object. We were very happy. Here we are showing the status. We is a subject, were is a helping verb, and very happy is an object. We are showing here the status. Ali was a policeman. Here we are showing the status of Ali, that policeman is showing the status. Ali is a subject, was is a helping verb, I is a article, policeman is all object and showing the status as well. They were in London. Here we are showing the place. They is a subject, were is a helping verb, in is a preposition, and London is a object, and also the showing according to the definition place. We were at home. We is a subject, were is a helping verb, at is a preposition, home is a object. Place, here we are showing the place. Home is a place, London is a place. Policeman is a status. Very happy, we are showing here status. We're hungry girl, here we are showing the status. Thank you friend with Noor Khan. When we have to show the status and place of a person or anything, we must have to use the verb to be. Thank you.